43 Quebec, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 43 Quebec.
Jet 5281 Rochester Tower, fly runway heading, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 31, clear for takeoff, 5281.
Skyhawk 43 Quebec, traffic to follow 11 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction, Embraer 3000.
Yes, 43 Quebec.
Jet 5281, contact departure, CF.
Dispatch, great day, 5281.
1043 Quebec, I'm sorry, did you have that traffic inside and heading to your left?
Sales 500.
43 Quebec, Roger, you're appearing the base turn. Good, negative, you're not cleared to turn. Maintain VFR, continue through final heading 030.
Turn to heading 330, you said?
Envoy 4065, cancel landing clearance, maintain 2,500 or above.
Okay, confirm the call sign.
I'm sorry, Envoy 4062.
Envoy 4062, cancel the landing clearance and maintain 2,500.
43 Quebec, and traffic just ahead and to your left, 2,500, Embraer.
Traffic sight, 43 Quebec.
Envoy 4062, if able, at traffic still factor, you are clear to land runway 31.
Okay, we're going to have to go around and we're going to resequence Envoy 4062.
Envoy 4062, no problem, and continue runway heading. Climb and maintain 3,000, you can remain tower frequency.
Runway heading 3,000, this frequency Envoy 4062.
43 Quebec, and you can proceed inbound.
Proceeding inbound 43 Quebec, thank you. Envoy 4062, what altitude would you like?
Envoy 4062, 3,000.
Okay, we're climbing 3,000 Envoy 4062.
Envoy 4062, and when able, you can re-enter the traffic pattern, left traffic, runway 31.
Okay, we'll enter the left, we're on your left traffic, runway 31, Envoy 4062.
43 back, runway 31, clear for the option.
So for the option 43 Quebec, we'll be departing the pattern after this touch and go.
43 Quebec, roger, say direction for departure.
Back to that center.
Roger. Flight 4062, do you still have Rochester in sight, just off your left wing now? The 4062, clear, roger, runway 31, clear to land.
Okay, we're clear for the visual approach for runway 31, runway 4062.
Number 4062, affirmative, you can proceed visually and you are clear to land, runway 31.
Okay, we can proceed visually and clear to land, runway 31, runway 4062.
43 Quebec, turn left on course.
Turn left on course, 43 Quebec.
43 Quebec, when able, spark VFR, possible pilot deviation, contact Rochester Tower on a number when you're ready to copy.
Ready to copy.
43 Quebec, you can contact Tower on 507424.
424, 43 Quebec.